talking about success and self-help and everything that can help you. You can only get anything in life if you want, if you can only help other people get what they want. This means like you need to transmit some positive energy. What do you mean by transmitting positive energy? You can create something consumable, that something that can help people. It's like you helping people get what they want. You can also being supportive to people. You can support people. You can show appreciation to people, and that's going to transmit some positive energy, and they will be feeling great for that. Once they feel great for that, it's going to come back to you. I mean, it's like a karma, man. Like it's like a 50-50. You get what you gave back. I mean, you get what you gave. And if you use that way of living as your habit, I mean, your life is going to be successful, and you're going to be grateful for what you've done. I mean, life is not about what you have, but it's all about what you have done. I mean, once you did something good, I mean, that's positive emotion it's coming to you, and the feeling of having the positive emotion is always been making us feeling great in our lives. All right. So any accomplishment, it's always related to what you have done. It's not about what you have. All right? You can have a lot of things. You can have millions of money. You can have tons of billions of dollars. But if you do not help other people succeed, then your money is not in use. You can be happy yourself with your family. You can take some trips. You can go to to vacations. Like you can travel the world. Like you can go everywhere you want to go in the world. But if your success doesn't affect anybody close to you or any people around you, then you are not successful. I mean, you are just happy living your life, which is, it's not also bad, but you need to be successful. I mean, your life need to impact other people. I mean, you need to learn how to impact people. You need to learn how to motivate people. You need to learn how to be there for people. You need to learn how to transmit some positive energy into people. All right. That's what the meaning of success is. So trying to be successful in everything. So here in AMKA, we're talking about success, struggles, self-help, self-discipline, self-development, and all those kind of things that can help you prosper in your life. All right. Stay tuned. Subscribe to my channel so that you cannot miss any of my single episode weekly or daily. And please do not forget to activate the bell notification. Okay? Cheerio.